All right, today we're diving into a pretty wild idea. It's a vision where Google's Gemini isn't just another app on your phone, but it becomes the very fabric of your digital life. We're talking about a true, personal internet. So let's break down what that actually means. So, I want to kick this off with a really big question, something that kind of challenges a habit we all have. What if the search bar, the gateway to pretty much everything we do online, what if it just went away? I know, it sounds crazy, but it's the launchpad for this whole new way of thinking about the web. Well, the answer to that question is this concept called the personal internet. And look, this isn't just some minor update. We're talking about a total paradigm shift in how we, or more accurately, how our AI agents, communicate and get things done for us online. This quote right here really nails the core of the idea. Just imagine it for a second. A future where you have an AI agent, and every single business has one too. The internet is no longer about you talking to a search engine. It's this huge, invisible conversation happening between all these agents, all working to get you what you need. Okay, so what does that actually look like? Well, the personal internet is where your AI agent doesn't just find stuff for you, it takes action. So instead of searching for plumbers and getting a list of phone numbers, your Gemini agent literally talks to the AI agents of local plumbers, it checks their real-time schedules, compares prices, and then comes back to you with a confirmed booking. See the difference? We're going from search to straight-up execution. So let's get even more concrete. How does this new world actually function day to day? And more importantly, what are the real benefits for everyone involved? This comparison just says it all, doesn't it? It captures this huge evolution in what Google is trying to do. For the last 20 years, their mission was to organize the world's information. Now, that mission is shifting to something way more personal, way more proactive, organizing the user's life. It's a move from being a giant, passive library to be an active, personal assistant. And this is where it gets really good, because it creates a situation where everybody wins. For us, the users, it means an experience that's hyper-personalized and seamless. For businesses, it's a total game changer, with AI agents generating actual qualified leads for them. And for Google, it completely redefines their value, turning search into this dynamic, living network. And this, right here, is the key takeaway, especially for you developers watching. All these services you already use, Gmail, Maps, your search history, they all become inputs for Gemini. It stops being just another app and starts acting as the foundational layer you interact with. It's basically a personal operating system for your entire digital world. Okay, I get it. This is a super ambitious vision. You might be thinking, is this just sci-fi? But it's not. Let's actually dig into the strategy and see how this moves from a cool idea to a totally viable blueprint for right now. The whole strategy really stands on 4 pillars that are all lining up perfectly. You've got the market shifting, you've got users who actually want this kind of integration, and for the first time, the tech is there to make it happen. But honestly, the most important pillar is that 4th one, ethics and privacy. That's the foundation that makes the whole thing trustworthy and possible. And speaking of feasibility, think about it. Google already has all the pieces. They've got Gmail, Calendar, Maps, business profiles, and Gemini to power it all. They're not starting from zero. The real challenge, and honestly, the biggest opportunity for developers, is going to be the deep, seamless integration of all these amazing tools into one intelligent system.
Okay, now let's zoom out a bit, because the implications here are so much bigger than just convenience. What we're really talking about is building the infrastructure for an entirely new AI-driven economy.
This really shows the next giant leap for the internet. For years, it's been about us, humans talking to machines. We're now moving into a world where it's machines talking to other machines, all happening in the background, on our behalf. This new network is what promises a future where all those tedious digital tasks just disappear. And that really brings us to the final thought here. This future isn't just something that's going to happen to us. It's going to be built. It's going to be coded, designed, and innovated by developers, by thinkers, by creators. So the real question I want to leave you with is, what role will you play in building this new personal internet?